anyone tell me where the water in the Chico Creek comes from?
Sky.
Sky. Close answer.
The clouds.
Those are some good guesses, but the answer is groundwater. Groundwater is water located underneath the Earth's surface, in soil pore spaces, and in the fractures of rock formations like this. Let me give you an example. So another word for groundwater is aquifer, and basically this groundwater and aquifer makes up all of our drinking water here in Chico. And so we have a California water surface, which is how we get all of our water, and they have put wells located all over Chico. And so what happens is we pump from those wells and it goes to water towers, and then through gravity it pushes the water out of the water towers through the pipes and into our faucets, which we have in all of our homes.
How does the water get into the ground?
Good question, but what happens is during the winter in the foothills and valley, the rain soaks into the ground like a sponge and replenishes the groundwater. When there's a big storm and precipitation is more than the ground can infiltrate, we have water flowing over the ground. Our best and largest water supply is snow. When it collects in the mountains, it acts as a big water storage area. As it melts over the next few months, it soaks into the ground and runs off the surface of the land into the creeks, keeping it flowing evenly. So if you think of this as winter, it rains, this is going to be soil. It rains down on the soil and gets absorbed. And then in the next few months, when it's summertime, it'll release the water like that. Now, it doesn't really get squeezed, the soil doesn't get squeezed like a sponge, but it does release the water, and this water will travel down to places like the Sacramento River.
Is that why there's water in the creek even though it hasn't rained in months?
Yes, groundwater is very important to the environment in Chico. Trees like oaks reach their roots deep into the ground to use their water throughout the year. Farmers pump groundwater to grow food throughout the year. And like we said, creeks would be empty throughout the year without this natural water storage. As a result, we wouldn't have salmon, insects, and all the other animals that thrive in the creek.
Is groundwater endless?
Once you use it up, it's gone, except for what gets put there every year from rain and snow. We can't make water, so the water on the planet is the only water we'll ever have. We're actually drinking the same water that dinosaurs drank. In fact, we're actually drinking dinosaur pee.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
So what do you think now that you know this about the water we drink?
Chico needs groundwater for our drinking water. And we need to be careful how we use water because it's not an endless resource.
So now that we know where our water comes from, we can appreciate it more every day. Yay!